you today's surprise topic.
Tippity-tap on the roof and trees, raindrops singing in the breeze. Plink and plunk, a puddle tune, dancing drops that hum and swoon. I twirl, I blink, I catch the beat, raindrops tapping at my feet. Silver bells and rhythm skies, the rain is music from up high. Tippity-tap, tippity-tap, Luna's whiskers go clickety-clappity-tap. Tippity-tap, Luna's whiskers go clickety-clap. Tippity-tap on the rain-fanned trees, raindrops singing in the breeze. Plink and plonk, a puddle tune, dancing drops that hum and swoon. I twirl, I blink, I catch the beats, raindrops tapping at my feet. Silver bells and rhythm skies, the rain is music from up high. Tippity-tap, tippity-tap, Luna's whiskers go clickety-clappity-tap. Tippity-tap, Luna's whiskers go clickety-clap. Tippity-tap, tippity-tap, Luna's whiskers go clickety-clap. Tippity-tap, tippity-tap, Luna's whiskers go clickety-clap. Tippity-tap, tippity-tap, Luna's whiskers go clickety-clap.
Welcome to Luna's little world.
Luna's here for you. Luna can't wait to show you today's surprise topic.
Fall slow, snow glows soft and bright. Tuck the trees and kiss the night. Wrap the world in white so deep. Let the stars and branches sleep. No need to run, no need to shout. The snow shows what quiet's about. I blink, I breathe, I gently go through dreams that only snowflakes know. Fall slow, snow glow. Luna walks where moon winds Welcome to Luna's little world.
Luna's here for you. Luna can't wait to show you today's surprise topic.
I woke up today with no sound behind. My tail swished gently but no chime to find. My bell was glowing but oh so still. My echo had gone over yonder hill. Where did my echo go? Was it hiding in the snow? Did it fly past the trees? Did it hide in the breeze? I followed the shimmer, I followed the light, through sparkles and silence and soft moonlight. I searched the trees, I searched the skies, for something missing deep inside. Where did my echo go? Was it hiding in the snow? Did it fly past the trees? Did it hide in the breeze? Echo in my bell, it sings for me, a little voice that sets me free. Through every step, through every day, my echo never fades away. Just when I thought I was all alone, my echo returned, and it had grown. It whispered the truth in a silver glow, a sound in my heart I didn't yet know. I am the shimmer, I am the sound, I am the rhythm that's always around. I found my echo and it found me, together now in harmony.
The bell holds a memory, one Luna forgot, and it just rang again. Beneath moonlight and candle glow, Luna stirred from sleep. The silver bell on her neck shimmered, like it remembered something before she did. On the counter, a torn note, 3 words, "He's back." The flame flickered. The pantry creaked open. The air forgot to breathe. From the dark, a figure emerged, cloaked in silence, its face a cracked porcelain mask. In its paw, the second half of the note. "You wore it last." Luna's breath caught, her bell pulsed. The kitchen grew colder, and though the mask said nothing, she heard it deep inside. The mask reached, the bell split in 2. Sparks danced in the dark, and the kitchen fractured into stars. Luna fell, not fast, not slow, she simply let go. Gravity forgot her name, and the stars caught her gently. She landed on glowing mushrooms in an upside-down world, where the trees reached downward and emotion shaped the earth. Each step shifted color, each paw print echoed memory. Then she saw it, a figure made of glass, standing still, wearing her silver bell. It left no footprints, only light. They faced each other, breathless, silent. The bell floated between them, spinning, waiting. And then it shattered and reformed. Luna remembered who she was, who she had always been. The Bellwalker has returned.
If you smile, give me a like. Want to play more? Subscribe and tap the bell. And don't forget to share this.
Can't wait